Hey there, Caesar with EliteFinancialCredit.com, and I want to go over with you today some of the things that you can expect that are possible to do when you need credit repair to be in a rush scenario, or maybe you're in escrow and things hit the fan and you need to improve your credit scores for whatever reason. And so there are some things that you can set your expectations on what is possible to do and what is really unlikely that to happen. And so let's get right into it. And some of the things, and this is not an exhaustive list because we've helped people through numerous accounts of actually helping them and other times not being able to help. So what's possible? One of the best things that you can do is your lender can do what's called a rapid rescore. And that's your lender communicating with their tri-merge credit reporting company and updating something. What could that look like? Well, traditionally, one of the easiest things you can do is paying off or paying down credit card debt. Something that can be easily done is calling your credit card company, making a payment, getting an updated balance. There are some specifics that have to happen with the verbiage and what the letter looks like, but you can get an updated balance letter directly from your credit card company or whoever you're paying off. Give that over to your mortgage lender. They can do what's called a rapid rescore with their tri-merge company. It does cost money, so keep that in mind. It can be upwards of several $100s depending on how many accounts you're doing and how many credit bureaus you need to update. So just keep that in mind, but it could save you a deal or it could save you hundreds of dollars in your interest rate. Same goes for, let's say you have a collection account that you paid off, or maybe you have a actual erroneous late payment that's reported to the credit bureaus and you know it's wrong. You contacted your credit card company or whoever's doing the reporting, and they give you a letter of deletion. They give you a correction letter. Same thing applies. You're going to need to have certain criteria, such as the header needs to be on there. Sometimes they require a wet signature with the recent date, full account number. Certain things like that will need to be required to do the rapid rescore, but it's absolutely possible to do. The timeline on a rapid rescore can be anywhere from 7 to 15 days. They usually say about 9 business days, so just keep that in mind when it comes to the timing of it all. And some of the things that are highly unlikely to happen, or things that just simply can't and shouldn't be expected to happen, is if you have like multiple late payments that are actually true. It's probably not going to be a good idea to try to stay in escrow or to do something with the quickness. Paying off collection accounts or charge-offs without getting a deletion letter, or just expecting the scores to increase, highly unlikely. And a lot of people think that removing inquiries are going to be super helpful for them, and there's these credit repair companies that are selling that they can completely remove and wipe your credit clean in 24 hours. I'd be leery of that. Be careful who you talk to. And inquiries aren't going to give you the biggest bang for your buck, although they could help in small areas, but you really got to be careful with that. So if you'd like some exact details on your scenario, please reach out and I'd love to help you out.